Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin' Out, and today I'm going to make a tie-dye shirt, and I encourage you to go crazy, do whatever you want to do. It's your creation, but I'm just going to give you an example of basically making a tie-dye. Okay, you always want to start with a clean table. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe our table down to make sure there's no dirt or excess dye from previous items we may have been making. And we're going to take a shirt here. Now, you can do whatever you want. Be creative. It's your work of art. Anything that inspires you. You can take rubber bands and you can tie off sections like this. We'll do this a little bit. And put that on like that. And we're going to take an area over here, and I think I'll tie off a piece over here also. Like this. But again, whatever you want to do, it's your creation. I'm just kind of doing anything that looks good right now. I'm going to take this, I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to twist it up a little bit. And I'm going to bunch this side in over here. And move some stuff around like that. Make sure those sticking up. That's because that's how I want to do it. Whatever you want to do is fine. It's your creation. Now, what I'd recommend you do at this point is take this and you can put it on a plate. But if a plate doesn't work because it's too small, I actually have a plastic tray here. This is a little bit big, but use whatever you have. I actually have a tray that's the perfect size for that. And here's a little trick that may help. If you have one of these plastic sheets, this one's very well used, you can slide it under like a spatula, and you can pick this up and put it into there. Okay, now we've been working with 4 dyes here. I'm going to take the dye and I'm going to put it wherever I want on the shirt. I think I'm going to put some red up here. A little bit over there, a little over here. We take some blue and put it up on this. Some blue over here. A little over there. Take some yellow, you put it between these colors here, a little over here. And let's have some fun with this one. And maybe a little bit of purple on the edges over here. Purple over there, purple over here. And some over there. I think I need a little bit more red. Let's put some red over here. Over there. Getting pretty thoroughly covered. Yeah, I'm going to try to cover it and get most of the white covered up over here. Cover some yellows, lighter spots. That might be kind of interesting. And purple in here, over there, and this looks good. Now we're going to want to take this, put the dye aside, and this has to sit and cure for about 8 hours. Slide it in here, get it in the bag. Wrap this up, and I'm going to put this on a paper plate just because these bags do tend to leak a little bit, and I'm going to let this cure for 8 hours at least. And here's my custom tie-dye creation. You can make one too.